In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create queues and assign records to them in Salesforce. This is an essential skill if you're looking to streamline task management and ensure efficient workload distribution among your colleagues or team members. Let's start by navigating to the Home section of Salesforce. This will be your starting point for accessing all the necessary settings and configurations. Once you're there, look for the Quick Settings option, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to proceed by selecting Open Advanced Setup. Advanced Setup is where all the powerful configuration options are hidden, allowing you to tailor Salesforce to better fit your organizational needs. With the Setup page open, type the word Queues into the search bar. This search will quickly direct you to the relevant section. Once it appears, click on Queues to get started. You should now see a new screen with a list of any existing queues. To create a new one, simply click on the New button. Now begin by typing in a label for your queue. The label serves as a clear identifier and helps everyone understand the purpose or function of the queue. Next, set the queue name. This internal name is crucial because it's how Salesforce will recognize and process the queue, distinct from others you might create. After naming your queue, focus on the Supported Objects section. This defines what kinds of records can be assigned to your queue. For instance, you can allow leads, cases, or other custom objects based on your needs. Selecting the available objects that your queue will handle ensures that the right type of record ends up in the right queue. To make these objects available to the queue, select from the list of available objects and click the Add button. This step officially links the objects with your new queue, meaning records of those objects can now flow into the queue. Next, shift your attention to the Queue Members section. Deciding who will be part of the queue is important, as those members will be responsible for processing the records in it. Look through your available members, which might include individuals, roles, or even entire public groups, and add them to the queue with the Add button. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes, and you've successfully created your queue. To manage how records get into this queue, go back to your Setup page and type Lead Assignment Rules into the search bar. Click on Lead Assignment Rules and then choose a rule name that will apply to your new queue. You'll then click New to create a fresh rule. Assign this rule to queues by selecting User, then opting for queues, and enter the queue name you just made. Don't forget to hit Save to apply this rule. With these steps complete, you've not only created a queue but also established a way for it to automatically receive records, creating a smoother, more efficient workflow for yourself and your team. Congratulations on completing your Salesforce queue creation and assignment guide.